Nation, it's your girl Flawless Britny here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a natural hair video on my freshly big chopped natural hair. I had the video up, but then I had to take it down for copyright reasons. But yeah, this is my hair. It's completely dry right now. I did wash it yesterday, but I didn't do anything to it besides put like a leave-in conditioner and some oil in it. I just take this towel. About my lashes, you guys, my lashes not coming off because it's actually magnetic lashes. It's just, you know, what I just said. So let's get into this. So I had this spray bottle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wet this hair, so because I don't want to work on my hair while it's dry. I don't know, can you guys see my hair? I didn't even show y'all a close-up, but yeah, anyway, here. I already know water is going to be running all down my face, but it's something that I got to get used to now. I'm not going to rock like wash and goes all the time. I'm still going to do like protective styling and stuff and just wear different styles because that's just who I am. I just like to wear different styles regardless. So I'm still going to do that. Let's get this nice and wet. Okay, so yeah. So I'm taking this Texture ID styling cream. It has cocoa butter and shea butter, and it says it's for all curly to coily hair types and provides medium hold while retaining moisture and elasticity. So boom, there's that. So this was sent to me by Sally Beauty as well. Thank you, Sally Beauty. I'm just gonna take this, rub it in on my hands, and then just go like this. Just to rub that in. It just feels so good. Like, it's literally, let me show you the inside. Like, it's like, it's super whipped and soft. It's super soft. Grabbing some more for the back. Yeah, I'm kind of sort of using it a lot. I'm kind of heavy-handed with products because my hair is so dry naturally that I had to go a little bit harder, but my hair can take it because like my hair is not super fine in texture. So my hair's thick and curly, so my hair can take it. You know. Okay, rub that in really good. I'm just gonna go in with this somewhat, I guess, a pick like comb. It's like a pick, but it's a comb. But I don't have a pick, so that's why I'm using this. It's very similar. And just gonna basically just detangle my hair. It's not super tangled, but I'm gonna detangle it anyway. Just because it's easier to work on when it's detangled. The Texture ID styling cream just make it super soft and super easy to work with. Now that that's all combed out, next I'm gonna go in with this Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. As you see, it's like halfway gone. I've been using it a lot. I really like this stuff because like it's almost like instantly defines curls or whatever, and I don't want my curls to be defined. My curls are already coming back from combing them out. So yeah, see how it brought my curls back? I really like that. Now I'm gonna take this towel, right? I'm just gonna go like this. Just to scrunch some of that out. Because there's too much stuff on there. too much stuff on there. I know for my hair at least, if it's too much stuff on there, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little part. I like my part to be on the right side. I just always have my part on the right. About that big. And I'm gonna take this little clip, this little butterfly. No, it's not a butterfly. Duckbill clip, and section that off. Hold that out the way, because that can kind of like train it to stay that way, because normally it won't stay that way. So then I'm going in with my favorite gel for my natural hair. I tried using the olive oil one, but it's just too heavy. I don't know, this one is a little bit lighter, but still gives great hold and definition for my curls. So this is the big jar. What is it? 5 pounds? I didn't even realize. But it says it has a max hold of 10, and it's the black castor and flaxseed oil gel. So I'm hoping y'all can see. So I need to just go in with the gel and just kind of like rake it in like that. And I love how it makes my curls just like so juicy. Even though my hair is so short, but still I just really like how it works for my hair. And I just go like little by little, section by section. I'm gonna try to zoom in so y'all can see better, you know. Like I'll just take these fingers and just like rake the product in, or I'll go like, it depends if how I want the curl to look. But if I wanted to be like a little bit differently defined, I would just go like this, take it, run it, and then it like curl up on its own like. So yeah, I was just showing y'all my 2 different methods or whatever. But I'm probably going to fast forward this part up a little bit just because, you know, I'm just doing the same thing, applying the gel. So this is how the front is looking so far. I'm gonna go off camera and do the back, and then I'll be right back for you guys. Alright guys, so I finished my whole head of hair. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. I got this little comb brush, edge brush, I guess you could call it. Whatever. I'm just... I'm just gonna go back in with this comb and just slightly lift it at the roots a little bit, just to make it a little bit bigger. Just a little. I mean, I can only do it a little, so. Just lifting, not combing it all the way through, well, at least not trying to. That's it. That's the finished excuse me, that's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not all the way dry yet, obviously, but this is just freshly done. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's like a little bit of white cast, but it's gonna dry. You won't even be able to see it. That's all, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at flawlessbritny. Bye, guys.